What if I told you that the price of your groceries, gas, and even your next iPhone could skyrocket overnight? Trump's latest tariffs are shaking up the economy, and whether you're an investor, business owner, or just someone who buys things, you need to know what's happening. In this video, I'll break down exactly what tariffs are, why Trump is using them, and how they could hit your wallet hard and even hit the markets. Stay till the end because I also revealed how you can prepare and even profit from these changes, especially with the market. So to start, what is a tariff? It is a tax imposed by a government on imported or exported goods. It is typically used for three main reasons: revenue generation, protecting domestic industries, and trade policy and negotiation. With that being said, it seems like Trump is using it more on negotiation. And next, in the upcoming minute, we will be explaining what these negotiations are and what negotiations we already have, but the type of tariffs you got. So charge as a percentage of goods value, and charge as fixed amount per unit, and designed to shield domestic industries from foreign competition, and imposed in response to another country's tariffs or trade restrictions. With that being said, that is kind of what we are seeing in retaliation, especially with China. The other governments kind of folded a little bit, but we did get a retaliation at first. You did see the market move a bunch, but some other things to think about is that you kind of have to pay more on imported goods so local companies can become more competitive. Countries may retaliate with their own tariffs, as you've seen with China. And if businesses rely on imports, tariffs can increase cost and reduce profit. So kind of a dummy down version to say it is just a tax on imported goods. It makes products more expensive, so people might buy more local stuff instead. But as consumer prices will go up, things like electronics, cars, food, and we can also have trade wars. So what is Trump currently doing? As we've seen recently, Canada and Mexico has a 25% tariff and China has a 10%. Kind of the reasoning behind the tariffs are concerns over illegal immigration and drugs. Canada announced some retaliation. Mexico is responding with both tariff and non-tariff measurements. And China imposed a 15% levy on U.S. coal and natural gas and a 10% tariff on oil, farm equipment, and certain vehicles, basically. We do have a delay on Canada and Mexico tariffs. The government kind of folded, like I said before. We've seen some big market movements with this up and down. This 30-day pause bringing the markets back up. So we're looking more positive on the markets. But you got to be careful with what happens when the 30 days are kind of not on pause anymore. So you might see a market downtrend after that. But we'll be looking at the charts a little bit later, kind of showing what happened. But the tariffs can lead to increased prices for U.S. consumers, including vehicles, electronics, and food products. Businesses may face higher production costs due to increased prices for imported materials and major car companies. So basically, with that being said, with the business spending more and having lower profits, it can show that their earnings is lower, and then it can show investor sentiment going down overall. So that's why you kind of see the market selling off, because companies aren't doing as good and their profits aren't going to look as good. So keep that on your mind. But like a company like Volkswagen, they have a factory in Mexico and it produces over 350,000 cars for the US market. Before we get to the charts, I want to say a little sellout slide. Coinbase and Robinhood are good apps to get started with investing. With my link below, you can get free stocks and some coins. With the Coinbase link, you also have a chance to win $100,000. So keep that on your mind. I recommend getting in. With that being said, we're going to look at some of the charts and look at how everything has been moving. So key thing is the overall SPY. So basically, yesterday, we did have a big sell-off after they announced the tariffs becoming official over the weekend. As you've seen, we lost a decent amount on SPY overall. And with the tariffs becoming official, we kind of seen the market dying down and even dying down even more. But with that being said, I think this news was the Mexico news right here. With the Mexico news, it kind of brought the market up even more with the pause on that. And then we also had another pause with Canada after hours. But right now, we kind of had some falling news when China kind of retaliated back. So the market fell a little bit, but we see it up a little bit more. With that being said, we do have a meeting. It was projected for Tuesday, but they might change the dates or they might be meeting right now. It's kind of more secretive. But with that being said, that meeting with China can really change a lot of things, because China is, we get a lot of products from China and we ship out a lot of products from China. Things like big companies like Tesla and stuff like that, Apple. They make a lot of money from China and they use a lot of products from China to make their products. So keep that on your mind, because that can really change the market. We got good news with Canada and Mexico, but we just need the China news to become better. So keep that on your mind while investing. With that being said, I have a free Discord. You guys can join while it's still free. Come chat, share your ideas, and just have a good time. Thanks for watching the video. I put a lot of time and effort in these videos. All I ask for in return is subscribe. Thanks for watching the video. Smash the like button, subscribe if you guys are new, and hit those post notifications so you guys never miss out on an upload. See you guys in the next one. Peace out.